Did you know that capuchin monkeys entered their own Stone Age over 3,000 years ago? They use specific heavy stones to crack open tough nuts, passing this skill down to their babies. Even crazier, Japanese macaques wash their sweet potatoes in the ocean, not just to clean them, but because they developed a taste for salt. This proves that monkeys have culture and modify their behavior just for flavor and enjoyment. If you believe primates are smarter than we think, hit like and subscribe for more evolution facts.